everyone! Welcome to another exciting, educational, and enjoyable English class. This is your teacher in English. My name is Mr. Felix G. Dumal Jr., your Sir J, that tells you to have fun while learning. To begin our lesson, let's have our opening prayer. Bless us, O Lord, and the lessons we will share with one another. May we learn to give love and respect to everyone. Let there be peace and order in this classroom. Make us feel that we are a family with you as the Father. Amen. Take note our classroom rules. Number 1, be on time. Be ready at least 10 minutes before the class begins. Number 2, be prepared. Get the necessary materials needed for this class. Your module and your pen and paper. Number 3, be attentive. Pay attention to the discussion so you would understand the lesson. Also, to the instructions so you would know what to do. Number 4, be respectful. Wear proper clothes and use appropriate language. Number 5, be safe. Always wear your face mask and sanitize your hands. For today's agenda, identify the purpose, case structural, and language features of various types of informational or factual texts. In this lesson, we will identify the different types of informational texts. Get now your module in English 6, Quarter 2, Module 1. But before we go to our lesson for today, let's have a drill. Match the two words with the same meaning. Number 1, beautiful. Number 2, huge. Number 3, complete. Number 4, broad. Number 5, afraid. Get your pen and paper to answer the following. Let's check your answer. Check your own work and be honest. Number 1, beautiful. The correct answer is pretty. Beautiful, pretty. Number 2, huge. The correct answer is big. Huge, big. Number 3, complete. The correct answer is finished. Complete, finished. Number 4, broad. The correct answer is wide. Broad, wide. Number 5, afraid. The correct answer is scared. Afraid, scared. Who get 5? Well done! We are going to read a selection entitled Sour Process by John Suryo Reyes. But before that, we are going to unlock the difficult words. First word, ferment. Pronounce the word. Repeat after me, ferment. Good. Once again, repeat after me, ferment. Very good. How many syllables in the word ferment? Great! There are 2 syllables in the word ferment. And what part of speech? Ferment is a verb, meaning to undergo. Example, the wine ferments in oak barrels. Second word, estuary. Pronounce the word. Repeat after me. Estuary. Good. Once again, repeat after me. Estuary. Very good. How many syllables in the word estuary? Great. There are 4 syllables in the word estuary. In what part of speech? Estuary is a noun, meaning a water passage where the tide meets a river current. Example, the city sits on the shores of a deep estuary where the Hudson River meets the Atlantic Ocean. The third and last word is spurn. Pronounce the word. Repeat after me. Spurn. Good. Once again, repeat after me. Spurn. Very good. How many syllables in the word spurn? Great. Only 1 syllable in the word spurn. In what part of speech? Spurn is a verb, meaning to reject or contempt. Example, she spurned my offers of help. Take note the following reminders before we read the selection. Sit properly. Listen attentively. Take note the important details. And if you want to listen again to the selection, feel free to play back the video. A Sour Process by Jonjon Suryo Reyes. Suka is the Tagalog term for vinegar, and Paumbong is a place in Bulacan where earlier Spaniards named the town because of its huge area planted with bamboo. Actually, the Paumbong word was derived from bumbong, a container made of bamboo. The old way of fermenting the vinegar, or suka, was through this container. Sukang Paumbong is one of the well-known products of Bulacan. Paumbong has a vast plantation of sasa or nipa palm. This plant is usually found along the estuary where salt water and fresh water flow. From its matured bungang sasa, nipa palm, fruits, these fruits are being spurned for 1 week to produce more juice, and it is locally termed as pagsikad. First, tuba gatherers or manunuba used a sharp knife to grate the end bent of the sasa branch. Second, a bumbong will be used as the container of the sasa juice when it comes out. Next, gathered sasa juice will be transferred into a large container called tapayan or earthen jar. After 2 or 3 weeks of that process, then they will use a strainer to eliminate the dregs from the juice. Finally, after weeks of fermenting the vinegar in the container, sukang paumbong will be tasted and now is ready to be arranged right at your dining table. If you really understood the selection entitled A Sour Process by Jonjon Suryo Reyes, you can answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the selection all about? Number 2. What scientific process is used in vinegar making? Number 3. What makes sukang paumbong different from other vinegar? Number 4. What kind of informational text is the passage? Number 5. Where does the information come from? Your answers to these questions are related to our lesson for today. Structure of an informational text. Number 1. Description. It gives details about the topic with the use of descriptive adjectives. It uses signal words, for instance, such as to begin with, an example, characteristics, and to illustrate. Look at the example. The underlined words are adjectives. Number 2, problem solution. It tells the readers about an existing problem and how it is solved through the solution provided. It uses signal words, question is, dilemma is, the puzzle is, to solve this, one answer is, one reason for the. Look at the example. The first underlined phrase is the problem. The third or the last underlined phrase is the solution. To solve is the signal words. Number 3, time order or sequence. The information is arranged in a specific or chronological order. Signal words that can be used are first, second, next, then, before, after, finally, following, now, soon, not long after. Look at the example. The underlined words are signal words. Number 4, comparison and contrast. It tells us about the similarities and differences of the given items in the topic. It also uses signal words like same as, similar, alike, as well as, also, compared to, both, instead of, either or, on the other hand, different from, as opposed to. Look at the example. The underlined words are signal words. Number 5, cause and effect. It aims to provide a reason or an explanation, and it uses signal words like so, because, since, therefore, if. This led to, reason why, as a result, consequently, may be, due to, effect of, for this reason. Look at the example. The underlined words are signal words. Let's have an exercise. Identify the type of informational text. Is it description, problem solution, time order or sequence, comparison and contrast, or cause and effect? Number 1, the man who killed the driver was put in jail. Number 2, Anna's mother left the house to work abroad to support and help them financially. Number 3, orange is a good source of vitamin C, but malunggay is more nutritious. Number 4, Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Number 5, in 1998, she won a national award. And after that, she won an international award. Get your pen and paper to answer the following. Let's check your answer. Check your own work and be honest. Number 1, the correct answer is cause and effect. Number 2, the correct answer is problem solution. Number 3, the correct answer is comparison and contrast. Number 4, the correct answer is description. Number 5, the correct answer is time order or sequence. Who got 5? Good job! Let's have another exercise. Read and identify the following description of the structure of an informational text. Get your pen and paper to answer the following. Number 1. It aims to provide a reason or an explanation, and it uses signal words like so, because, since, therefore, if, and this led to. The correct answer is cause and effect. Number 2. It tells us about the similarities and differences of the given items in the topic. The correct answer is comparison and contrast. Number 3. The information is arranged in a specific or chronological order. The correct answer is time order or sequence. Number 4. It tells the readers about an existing problem and how it is solved through the solution provided. The correct answer is problem solution. Number 5. It gives details about the topic with the use of descriptive adjectives. The correct answer is description. Who got 5? Very good! We have learned that there are 5 different types of informational text. Number 1. Description gives details about the topic with the use of adjectives. Number 2. Problem solution tells the readers about an existing problem and how it is solved through the solution provided. Number 3. Time order or sequence is where information is arranged in a specific or chronological order. Number 4. Comparison and contrast tells us about the similarities and differences of the given items in the topic. Number 5. Cause and effect aims to provide a reason or an explanation. Let's have an evaluation. Identify the type of informational text for each number. Number 1. Experiencing the Sinaculo in Kapitangan is different from just celebrating the Lenten season at home. A. Cause and effect. B. Comparison and contrast. C. Problem solution. D. Time order. Number 2. Paumbong is a third-class municipality in the province of Bulacan. A. Cause and effect. B. Comparison and contrast. C. Description. D. Problem solution. Number 3. At first, Junior needs to clean all the tapayan before using them again in vinegar making. A. Cause and effect. B. Description. C. Problem solution. D. Time order. Number 4. Clotilde broke a tapayan, so her mother got angry. A. Cause and effect. B. Comparison and contrast. C. Problem solution. D. Time order. Number 5. Tapayan is made up of clay, larger than pots, and usually used as containers. A. Cause and effect. B. Description. C. Problem solution. D. Time order. Get your pen and paper to answer the following. Let's check your answer. Check your own work and be honest. Number 1. The correct answer is letter B. Comparison and contrast. Number 2. The correct answer is letter C. Description. Number 3. The correct answer is letter D. Time order. Number 4. The correct answer is letter A. Cause and effect. Number 5. The correct answer is letter B, description. Who got 5? Excellent! To end our lesson for today, let's now have our closing prayer. Thank you, O Lord, for the lessons we've learned. May we use them as we go out of this classroom for the right purpose through the way you want. Amen. That's all for this week. I hope you have learned from this lesson. This has been your Sir Jay that tells you to have fun while learning. Keep safe and stay healthy. Goodbye, class!